Good morning, dear aspirants. வாருங்கள் சைனிக் பள்ளிக்கு கிராஷ் கோர்ஸில் மூலமாக
Good evening to
ஒரு மாதம்
all the parents
நன்கு
of
பயிற்சி பெறலாம்.
Sainik school aspirants.
एक महीने का
With
सैनिक
effect
स्कूल
from
एंट्रेंस का
1st
क्रैश
December
कोर्स प्रोग्राम इसमें
2022,
शामिल है.
Defense
कृपया
Academy Coimbatore
जो सेल नंबर दिया गया
has
है
planned
उससे कांटेक्ट करें.
to start
Please contact
a
the cell
crash
number
course
which is given
for
in
class
this
6
call.
and class 9
We prepare
of Sainik
children
school
of 6th standard
aspirants.
and 9th standard.
We are a team of
face
officers
Sainik school entrance
who are
examination.
retired from the defense services
We are a team of
and now have
defense
dedicated
officers
our
who
services
have dedicated
to coach
our rest of
children
our life,
to qualify
educate
in the
and
prestigious
motivate
Sainik school
children
entrance
who
examination.
aspire to become future
We shall
defense
leave
officers.
no stones unturned.
You as a parent, all you do
Good
is
evening to all the
admit
parents
your child
of
for
Sainik
our crash
school
course.
aspirants.
Every day we shall
With
be spending
effect from
3 hours
1st
live
December
classes to educate
2022,
and motivate your
Defense
child
Academy
to perform
Coimbatore
to the maximum
has planned
extent of his
to
capability.
start a crash
I'm
course
sure
for
our
class 6
coaching
and class 9
will help
of
the
Sainik
child
school
to score
aspirants.
very high marks
We are
in
a
the
team
written
of
test and
officers
find the name in the
who are
merit
retired
list,
from the
in
defense
the
services
very first merit list of the
and
Sainik
now have
school
dedicated
of
our
any Sainik
services
schools in India.
to coach
We are
children
confident
to
that
qualify
our method
in the
over the past
prestigious
20 years
Sainik
has
school
been
entrance examination.
exemplary in sending
We shall
many
leave
candidates
no stones
the
unturned.
Sainik School, RIMC and RMS. We are very glad to inform you that one of the girl child has qualified not once but 2 times in the prestigious Rashtriya Indian Military College entrance examination. வாழ்க வளமுடன். ஜாய் ஹிந்த்.